Hi, I'm David Burke with McNaughton-McKay. Today, you will be learning about the Reynolds Company FactoryTalk Optix library and connectivity options.
Okay, so I'm going to walk you through a quick video on setting up web pages with FactoryTalk Optix. So what you see here is a FactoryTalk Optix demo project that's available for users. I'm going to go ahead and create a web page. So first of all, I'm going to navigate to some of my existing screens, the HMI screens. And as you see, I have a few already. This is a project that's previously been done. I just want to add a web page to an existing screen. I'm going to go ahead and open that screen right now. And you can see the screen is blank in the middle, but it has some graphs on either side. And really what I'd like to do is add a radar graph in the middle. And I want to be able to view that on a web page as well. So I'm going to go ahead and open up a new content of a web browser. And essentially that drops the web browser directly on the screen. And essentially I just need to do two things. First thing, I just need to resize that screen to make it as big as I'd like to make it. So I'm going to do that right now. And once I have the screen size ready that I like, I'm going to go ahead and configure the properties. And you can see there's really only one property on this web page, which would be the address. So I need to specify the URL address, and I'm going to browse for that because I do have a pre-existing graph that I'd like to use that I got from another source. And so I have that stored in my eCharts. I'm going to go ahead and pull in the radar graph, hit select, and that will post the URL address inside my properties. So I'm ready to go. And before I look at the graphic, I'm going to go ahead and copy that URL because I want to use it in a web browser. So next step is to actually run the emulator. So I'm going to run the runtime, and I want to see how it looks like before I deploy the project. So we can see it here. It's a nice graphic. It's in about the right place, so I think I want to keep that. The next step, I want to test what the web page looks like. So I'm going to open up a web browser, and I'm going to drop that URL address into the web browser and see what that looks like. And as you can see, it looks the same. It looks pretty good. One thing that's nice about graphics in Optix is they automatically resize based on the size of the screen. So I just demonstrated that there. And this is actually a graph that's available on Apache.org's website that works well with FactoryTalk Optix. And that's going to conclude our demonstration today.
Thank you for watching this presentation. If you have any questions, please contact your local sales representative or visit us online.